Hello, my friends. I can only guess that you can actually see me. I have very minor Saturday putting a mask on makeup, so just a little touch. I went for an x-ray today, and hopefully it's my last one. But I gotta tell you, my foot is really sore lately, so I do see the doctor on Tuesday night, so I'll let you guys know how that goes. So anyway, the reason I am on here right now is because I got my Birchbox. So I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing of the stuff that I got in that Birchbox. So stay tuned and I'll be right back. Okay, so here is the December Birchbox. I did pick a curated box. This box is really pretty, but anyway, I did pick the curated box, so let's see what's inside. Okay, so of course nothing here is full size. Birchbox, you're still not keeping your promise. Anyway, there is this tinted lip balm. I like stuff like that. This is a sleeping mask. It is like almost all air in there. Oh my goodness. This is Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. Whoops. Really would help if I was in camera range here. So it is very, very tiny. Let me see how many ounces it is. Well, it's really small on there. I will have to get a magnifying glass. Okay, so this is 0.3 ounces. It is 16 mLs. It's just enough to maybe use twice. It's very frustrating to me when the sample sizes are so small after they made all the kinds of promises to everybody. Okay, and this is Kiehl's Calendula and Serum Infused Water Cream. This is also really tiny. It is 7 mLs. 0.25 ounces. It's even smaller than the water cream was. Yeah, so the jar is obviously one of those with a false bottom. I wish this wasn't as light as it feels. This is Verb Ghost Hair Mask. I've heard good things about this stuff, but I do have to check the ounces for you guys. It's 0.68 ounces. I'm really so disappointed in Birchbox. And this seems like a good size. It is hair primer. It's supposed to protect your bumble and bumble. Not cruelty free, my friends, so keep that in mind. Bumble and bumble primer, and this is supposed to protect your hair from UV damage and from heat, but this feels pretty full and pretty heavy, so I'm gonna check the ounces and come right back. So this is a full ounce, which is really good, and I'll enjoy it, but I'll never be able to order it because Bumble and Bumble is not cruelty free. At least it wasn't the last time I checked. And finally, I did open the Ola Neon. It's called Ola Neon, but it's tinted lip balm. It looks like a lipstick, but I think it comes off very sheer and shiny from what I read. And this is the color, and it's really pretty. It's a little more muted than it's showing up on camera. It's definitely a red, but it's definitely like a nice clear tinted lip balm, which I'm really thrilled about. Because, I do have some lip balms, but I only have like one tinted lip balm. And this is the pretty case that it came in. I don't know if this is full size or not. I kind of doubt it because you see all this empty space down here. I'm pretty sure that this is probably a sample size, or a travel size. And this is in the color Love Me. Okay, so anyways, I do like this. This is the one thing that saved this box for me. Everything else is kind of like, yeah, whatever. So this is not a great box. I'll enjoy trying everything. Like I am interested in the Glow Recipe Sleeping Mask. It's literally like half full. I don't know if you can see that. I'm really not happy with companies when they use packaging that's larger than the amount of stuff they're going to put in, because that's kind of a marketing ploy. Just like this Ghost hair mask could be in a smaller tube and be exactly the same amount of stuff. So I have to say, if you're interested in just stepping into the foray of trying samples, well, I would actually point you toward Ipsy, not Birchbox. Ipsy's $12 a month. Birchbox is now $15 a month. I did pick out the curated box that was Katya's picks, which she's one of the editors. You know, this should be better. There should be 6 items. They raised their price from $10 to $15. It's really only worth $10. So I won't be renewing Birchbox this year. And in fact, I called yelling at them and told them not to renew my box, but I have to make sure that actually went through, because I have 2 more boxes left in my year-long subscription. It's funny, they made the box deeper and more sturdy, but they didn't put more good stuff in there. They called it a keepsake box. I don't see that this is a keepsake, but anyway, you know, it's just not good enough. You know, for a 50% price increase, lots of promises that are not fulfilled, and that's very frustrating to me. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. This has been Mary with Reviewer's Diary, and I am disappointed, honestly, except for the lip balm. I like the lip balm, and you know, but it's definitely a sample size. It's something I'll be finishing in this lifetime, though. That's the one good thing about travel and sample sizes. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. This has been Mary with Reviewer's Diary. Just a real quick unboxing, and I'll be giving you guys another video doing a get ready with me with all the makeup that is in the last 2 project pans. So yeah, you'll have to stay tuned for that. I'm also going to be doing an inventory, which takes a tremendous amount of time, so I'll be recording a lot of videos for that, probably on this camera, and some video of me. So anyway, thank you very much. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this. If you have any questions, let me know, and have a beautiful evening. Good night.